Hello again. I am at the Neuse River in Smithfield, Johnston County, and this is the day after Hurricane Matthew. And I've got a lot of videos up on after storms of what the river looks like, but this is the first time I've actually seen the river climb the banks. There's the bench out there, and out there you can see where the walking bridge is normally at. It's completely gone. I actually got a friend out here, John. He's been out here his whole life, and he's seen quite a few storms and hurricanes, and he's told me about the last hurricanes we had about 17 years ago, Floyd and Fran and whatnot, that the river climbed the banks then and that the pathway completely disappeared. And he is great because you can actually see a touch of the pathway right here, a small little part here, and the path down there. You can see the stairs that leads down, but everything is completely submerged into the river right now. And we thought it'd probably draw back, and actually if you look down here at the sand and the sediment that collected, you probably think it did jump the banks last night, and it's just gone down since then, but it's still pretty high. You can't even see where the boat ramp or the trees were. It's all gone underwater. But this is the Neuse River the day after Hurricane Matthew in Smithfield. As you can see, a big change has happened here. Alright, stay safe.